right, let's take a look at a hydrogen water bottle. This was rechargeable, all right, in the back. When you're charging it, it turns red. When it's fully charged, it's going to turn green. Now, the best thing, I fully charged it already. The top filling, I'm going to open the top because you can open the bottom too. I filled up to the rim on it because I want to show you guys how it's supposed to be used. Now, there is a silicone cover in the bottom that you do need to wash once in a while because you don't want mold to grow. So just be aware of that. And this device is very simple. All you got to do is push the button. All right, it turns blue, UV light, and look at this. I'm gonna get you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see the magic work. It's just beautiful on the background. You can see it, and the taste. It's not a big difference of taste. Now, value, why it has H2 on it. There's a lot of benefits to it. There's a lot of things it can do. So just read about it before you start doing stuff like this or drinking products. Now, this is natural water I currently have. It's filter water. Only use filter water if it's possible. Do not put any substance like Coca-Cola or any club soda or anything like that. You could damage the device itself. Just clear water. It's going to make it add more H2 on it. All right. It's mostly concentrated on it. And like I said, read upon it, look it up, and see what else you can do. But besides a water bottle, you can use it for your personal use, like, you know, you're biking at night or in the day, or you're running. It's really good. But this is glass, so be aware that this is glass. But I'm gonna show you another option you can do on this one, which I like. You know, besides this type of glass, you could actually take the whole entire glass off and add a water bottle in the center, and it does the same thing. So we're also gonna see if we can do that too. All right, as you can see, it just completely stopped right now. It actually made a beeping sound before, and pretty much ready to go. So what I like to enjoy, I actually have one of these already. I find it a little bit different sometimes. You know, I'm gonna explain to you what I'm talking about. The water itself tastes exactly the same. The things that it brings up, it's more health things, you know, that I'm not allowed to talk about it because you need to start looking into that. It's supposed to calm you down, you know, and the water does calm you down naturally, but enjoying it even better. All right, some water bottles, all you got to do is screw it in there, and you flip it over, and it does the same thing as the glass one. So if you're concerned about taking glass out running or jogging or taking it everywhere, you can always use this kind of option too. So out of the box, you have two different ways of doing it. Very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the video.